Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be sharing some simple yet powerful tips to get your Mac running faster and smoother. Plus, I'll show you how to clean out those unnecessary files that might be slowing down your macOS. Let's jump right into it. Tip 1. Declutter your desktop. First things first, let's clean up that desktop. Start by removing any unnecessary files from your desktop. A cluttered desktop can actually slow down your Mac's startup time. Try to keep only the essentials in your dock and on your desktop. This simple trick is often overlooked but can make a big difference. For example, my desktop has a lot of old files I don't need, files from past projects, installers, or random downloads. Deleting these frees up space and helps your Mac boot up faster. Tip 2. Manage startup items. A slow startup can be a real drag. When you turn on your Mac, it might automatically load apps that you're not even using, slowing down boot time. To fix this, go to System Settings, or System Preferences on older macOS versions, then go to the General tab and click on Login Items. Here, you can remove any unnecessary startup items by selecting them and clicking the minus sign. For instance, if I want to remove the Loom app from my startup items, I'll just select it and click the minus icon. Easy as that. Repeat this process for any apps you don't need at startup. This will streamline your startup and save you time every time you turn on your Mac. Tip 3. Completely uninstall unwanted apps. Dragging an app to the trash or removing it from Launchpad doesn't always delete all its associated files. For a full cleanup, I recommend using an app called Mac Booster. Download link in the video description. Open Mac Booster, click on Uninstaller, then select the app you want to delete. It'll display all related files. Just click Uninstall, and you'll know the app and its leftover files are gone. This helps you reclaim storage space and keeps your Mac running at peak performance. Tip 4. Clear your cache. Clearing your cache from time to time is a good idea, as it removes temporary files you don't need anymore. Here's how. Open Finder, press Command plus Shift plus G, and type ~library caches to access system-wide cache files. Delete the folders you don't need. If you see a warning saying, the operation can't be completed because you don't have permission to access some of the items, just leave those folders alone, as they may be needed by specific apps. Now, let's clear your system logs. Open Finder again, press Command plus Shift plus G, and go to ~library logs for user-specific logs. Delete unnecessary files here. Next, repeat the process, this time going to /library/logs for system logs, and delete the unnecessary files. Finally, restart your Mac and empty the trash. Your Mac should now feel fresher and more responsive. Last tip. Run a full scan on your Mac. For a deep cleanup, I recommend using Mac Booster again. Open Mac Booster, click on System Status, and then click Scan. Allow the app to access all your folders. The scan will take a few seconds, and once it's done, you'll see a report of your system, including junk files, viruses, and malware. Click Fix to resolve any issues found. And that's a wrap. These quick and easy tips should have your Mac running like new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more tips and tricks like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.